Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving into something truly special, something that stirs nostalgia and delivers raw power with a modern edge. Let's talk about the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser V8, a name that's long been associated with reliability, durability, and sheer dominance on and off the road. But what makes this version stand out, and why is it being talked about like a legend reborn? Stick around, because this is more than just a car, it's a story of evolution wrapped in steel and muscle. The 2026 Land Cruiser V8 is more than just a facelift or minor update. It's a full-blooded comeback of a vehicle that once defined what an SUV could be. Toyota has gone all in, blending the trusted roots of the classic Land Cruiser DNA with advanced technology and rugged design. You see, this isn't just a luxury SUV for the highways, it's a beast meant for mountains, deserts, and everywhere in between. Under the hood, the V8 roars back into life. Toyota's decision to retain the V8 option in some markets was bold, and it speaks to the deep emotional connection enthusiasts have with this powertrain. The engine brings not only raw horsepower but also refined performance that feels smooth and confident, no matter the terrain. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or powering over rocky trails, the 2026 Land Cruiser V8 makes it all feel effortless. But this new version isn't just about power, it's about purpose. The body has been redesigned for aerodynamics without compromising on its signature boxy charm. It's wider, more muscular, and stands tall like a true warrior. The headlights are sharper, the grille is massive and proud, and the wheels are ready for anything. It has that look, the kind of presence that makes you stop and stare. That's what the 2026 Land Cruiser brings to the road. Inside, the luxury meets utility in the most seamless way. Plush leather seats, a massive infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration, and advanced safety features make this SUV as smart as it is strong. Toyota's latest off-road assistance tech, terrain modes, crawl control, and a 360-degree camera system take the fear out of any off-road adventure. It's like having a co-pilot who never blinks. Here's the long-kept secret that not everyone's talking about. This model marks a subtle return to what made Land Cruiser legendary in the first place. Toyota didn't just throw in tech for show. Every button, every feature is designed with a purpose. It's engineered for people who know what it means to truly explore, those who want to cross boundaries and push limits, not just park in a driveway. In a world shifting toward compact SUVs and electric crossovers, the 2026 Land Cruiser V8 stands tall as a symbol of strength, heritage, and unshakable performance. It doesn't follow trends, it writes its own path. So, if you've been waiting for something bold, something real, then maybe, just maybe, your wait is over. Thanks for watching Autocars Play. Don't